Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
I'm the model.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm far.
Where is four? Okay, good. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where is Vietnam? Okay, John, one finger. Okay, John, what's this color?
It's a blue.
Yes, what's this color?
It's a green.
Okay, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Okay, where is green? John, where is green? Yes, John, one finger. Okay, what is it?
It's a car.
It's a cow, yes. What is
It's
it?
a horse.
What are they?
They are gold.
Goats. What are they?
They are rabbits.
What are they?
They are dogs.
Okay. Is it a goat?
They eat.
Yes. Is it a donkey?
No, it isn't.
Is it a cat?
No, it isn't.
Okay. What are they?
They are horse.
Horses. What are they?
They are donkey.
Donkeys. What are they?
They are sheep.
Okay. Is it a cat?
No, it isn't.
Is it a donkey?
Yes, it is.
What are they?
They are cat.
Okay. What are they?
They are rabbit.
What are they?
They are gold.
Okay. What are they?
They are dogs.
What animal do you like?
I
I like.
like monkey.
Monkey. Okay, thank you, small John. Give me 5.